Today we're making these wild turkey buffalo egg rolls. A beautifully fried, crispy exterior loaded with that buffalo cream cheese, ranch, hot sauce flavoring, loaded with cheddar cheese, and slow roasted turkey. What is not to love about this? Let's dive into it. Full recipe is down in the description. Before we get into this, we also have other recipes listed on our website and gear, shopTaggedOut.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, we're going to get started by putting our cleaned and prepared wild turkey breast in a crock pot with some chicken stock and a little bit of ranch seasoning, and we're going to turn this on high and we're going to let it roast low and slow for several hours till it starts to fall apart. Once the turkey is starting to fall apart, we're going to shred it up, leave it inside the crock pot with the juice as well. We're going to go in with the rest of our ingredients, our hot sauce, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and ranch. You can use store-bought. I'm using homemade, obviously, but whatever you have is fine. We're going to let this go on low for about another 30 to 40 minutes until everything comes together. We're going to slightly let this mixture cool down a little bit. We're going to put it into our egg roll wrappers, roll them up, set them aside just for a few minutes. You can fry them as is right now, or you can freeze these on a single layer in a cookie sheet for several hours, then vac pack them and put them aside till you're ready for a party or get together. You fry these things up in a little bit of oil, air fryer, or you can bake them as well. They're absolutely delicious anyway. Now we're going to fry a couple up. Just going to place these in our oil, fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes or until that interior is no longer frozen and it's nice, hot, and bubbly. Don't forget to let these cool down. Let's get a taste. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Beautifully crispy, perfectly fried. The interior smells great. The house smells amazing. Let's get a taste. So good. Beautiful buffalo chicken flavor, but done with wild turkey. It's rich, it's creamy. The exterior is kind of like the potato chip. If you handed me these at a party and told me they were wild turkey, I would have told you they're nuts. Great way to use up wild turkey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to check out all our other videos and our website, shoptaggedout.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.